it's only right that he did part 1 where we showed you the barbecue. My buddy Robert's back to do the rotisserie so we can show them what it looks like and how it works.
I'm excited about this one.
And yeah, and if it works good, we'll tell you. And if it falls apart, you'll see it right on video.
I am curious onto of these 3 titles, based just upon the titles,
Right.
what they think is going to be the winner.
Oh.
What
okay.
they think is going to test and taste the best.
Because you've tasted all 3.
Oh, yes.
And you've picked your favorite.
No.
You haven't?
I can't. They're just so unique and original. It's hard to do that. Yes.
All right. So come on in close. We're going to show you. So here's the deal. We have 3 different seasonings that we've either used on the show or we're going to use for the first time on the show, or pretty much just seasoning. Anyway, we've already chosen. Have we picked one yet?
I still haven't picked one.
We haven't picked one yet. All right. So we're gonna talk about these 3 seasonings, and then I'm going to let Robert, since he's the guest of honor, I'm going to let him pick out the seasoning that he wants. So here's the box of the rotisserie, and behind that are these 3 babies. These are the 3 seasonings we're struggling with. Go. Talk to me.
So first we have what I'm going to call the mild named one, which is the Meat Church Fajita Mix. Now, Meat Church is one you keep saying that your viewers and your fans are just loving this brand.
Yeah.
Next, on the opposite end, we have Slap Yo Mama. What a great title, right?
And we've seen them on the show a lot. This Meat Church, pretty new.
And last but not least is the Dirty Bird.
Yeah.
Oh.
Did you get a chance to take a smell?
Oh, I have done the smell test. I've done the taste test.
All right.
These are absolutely amazing.
So which one you want to go with? Because we can all...
You want to try one, or you want to mix the 3 together and see what happens?
What? Are you serious?
Can't hurt.
I don't
More than once.
Well, I don't mix them normally, but what the heck? All right, let's do it. So let me tell them what we were talking about. So we're standing here, right? I'm like, mix them up, see if they're any good. If not, we'll bail on this idea, right? And then I'm thinking, what if he just goes running out of here screaming or something, and I don't have the camera going? So we're gonna film him tasting these mixed together. I mean, imagine if our pot rack up here fell down on our heads, or our dog came running in barking, or something, and I didn't capture any of that on camera. So it's good that we're recording, right?
Oh, yes.
Okay, now we got a puppy outside playing in the backyard. Now it's your turn to try the seasoning.
I'll miss you guys.
Oh.
Not dramatic at all.
Should I dial 911 and wait?
Am I eating or sniffing? Oh, wow. Oh, that is good.
What? Are you serious?
Oh, yes.
Hold on a minute.
Ooh, and there's that spice on the backside. Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's really good, dude. Okay, guys, we're doing Slap Your Mama. We're doing the Meat Church Fajita Mix, and we're doing Cosmo Q Dirty Bird. And all 3 together is amazing. I just tried it. It's awesome. So let's get the bird. We're going to season it right now. And I always do it heavy because most of it falls off anyway. I know. And then you guys are going to write me, it doesn't always fall off. Really? Really? Do you do scientific experiments with seasoning? Most of the seasoning falls off. You can believe whatever you want. It's all good. All right. So we're doing, this is a turkey breast. We were thought about doing entire turkey, but we'll let you do the entire turkey on your try, okay? But for us, we're just doing a turkey breast today on the rotisserie. Go ahead, hit at it. And heavier the better for me. So whatever you're used to, you want to rub it in, we'll get you all scrubbed up so that we can finish the video outside once you're done.
Oh, yes.
But have fun with it. Yeah.
Get this on there. Ooh, yeah.
Should we hit the cavity too?
I was definitely going to do that.
I was just thinking, maybe we should also hit the cavity. Yeah. Okay. Robert knows how to season. Guys. I'm just showing you. It looks like that you can mount this motor, this rotisserie motor, either there with those two holes or there with those two holes. We've got the motor right there. We got the turkey going to be attached in a minute, and I probably want to remove this top shelf. So give us a minute, we'll have it all set up. And now we're going back into the house to go make a bowl more of seasoning, because a lot of the seasoning got washed off in its own juices, okay, in the cookie sheet. So I just want to get a look at that. That's beautiful. So basically, the next time you see it, it'll be done. What we're planning on doing is taking it off at 160, wrapping it, resting for a half an hour, and it should cook it to 165. And it's absolutely perfect. Okay, guys, we are adding more seasoning. We don't care where it goes. It's going all over, flying around. We don't care. So as you can see over in the pan here, we lost a lot of seasoning in its own juices. Okay, so we went out for a coffee while it was cooking. And what happened when we drove up?
Oh, the moment you open the car door, you smelt this completely across the house in the driveway.
First time ever. I've cooked a lot in this backyard, you guys know. Ooh. This is the first time I could smell what was cooking back here, and it smelled so good. We were at the front of the garage, hadn't even opened the garage yet. We were literally on the other side of the house, and it smelled so good. So we noticed something, and we'll show you up close. We're stopping the turning. It's almost done. It's been at 350 for a while. We'll show you what's happening. So ooh, the breast tightened up and came off the fork pins. See that? Oh, that's beautiful. Getting a little dark. So we turned off these burners. We got the outside burners going still to keep the temperature the same in here. But we're readjusting the fork and getting it in more. That was perfect.
We're really in there now.
Yeah, that's fine. Whoop, whoop. You okay?
Quick
We almost lost that. I almost caught that on camera. Oh. You almost destroyed the turkey, dude.
I saved the turkey.
Wow.
My own demise.
All right, so we're good?
Yes.
Now we can turn it back on. Look at that.
Oh, look at that baby.
It's looking good. So the flame, we saw the darkness, so we turned the flames off here. So the outer burners are still going. So let's close. Go ahead and close that up.
Look at all that drippings on that burner.
And then we got to build it up to 350 again. It's it.
300.
300, not bad. That holds heat pretty good. And the bird was dripping?
Oh, yeah. The center was just covered.
Oh my gosh. So we are done. We're pulling it out right now. We're gonna wrap it in foil and let it rest for about 30 minutes. Is that okay? Everything okay over there?
I think so.
You ready?
Oh, I've been waiting on this moment.
All right, unveil it. And it's gonna, and don't worry, we're gonna get juice everywhere, okay?
All right, well.
It's gonna be
do I need to do this neatly or like hey girl at Christmas?
I don't care, Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
Well, not too hard now. Just unwrap it. There you go. I'll keep the foil down so everybody can see what it looks like.
Oh my God, that smells so good.
Oh my goodness, guys.
You guys do not get to see the puddle of juices in here.
Now it's picture time. Hold on. Still for you.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Wow.
Look at that.
I can see how moist it is already. Look at it. It's totally pouring out. I love it. Oh, it's fully cooked. Okay, everybody, you see how that's not raw? Just want to make that perfectly clear. Don't let anybody tell you that's not cooked. Because what you'll do is watch somebody else say it's not cooked and then come visit me. But anyway, that's perfect. That's the money shot. This could be really, really good. I figured this is going to be better than I thought it would be. It cooked wonderfully. So, you ready to pull? Just go ahead and pull yourself a piece.
All right.
Pull it off. You can tear it with your fingers. I don't care. We're like family here.
Look at that. And I got
you just stabbed it with your fork to pick it up, and juice came gushing out. Is that even legal? Okay, hold on a minute.
I give you the big piece.
Okay, dude, can you feel it in your fingertips? Can you feel it?
That is so juicy.
It is so juicy.
So tender.
I can feel the moisture between my fingers. It's so juicy. All right, here we go.
Oh, wow.
Mmm.
Good choice on the seasoning.
Mmm. I put the seasoning away. It's right behind me. There it is. I gotta write this down. Oh my god, it's so good. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.